Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Calabar High from St Andrew up against Manchester High from Manchester. This is the 56th anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Calabar High is represented by Tian Hughes, Alexander Ramarak, Kevon Latouche, and Jante Jackson. Manchester High is represented by Matthew Dunkley, Kamarly Ferguson, Stefan Smart, and Jaleesa Tracy. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second match in this quarter-final series. Manchester High won the opening match to take a 1-0 lead in the series, and another win tonight will send them into the semi-finals. But if Calabar High wins tonight, the series will be locked at 1-1 and poised for a scintillating deciding match. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. The quarter-finalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move into the semi-final round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Manchester High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Manchester. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Manchester, we begin with general knowledge. On what date is International Day of Clean Energy celebrated?
April 5th. April 5th.
Incorrect. January 26th. Calabar, general knowledge. On what date is International Universal Health Coverage Day celebrated?
April 7th. April 7th.
Incorrect. December 12th. International affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Tonga. Tonga. Tonga.
Correct. International affairs for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Vanuatu.
Vanuatu.
Correct. Chemistry for Manchester. What is the name for the amount of energy released when an electron is added to a neutral atom to form a negative ion?
Energy release.
Heat of ionization.
Heat of ionization.
Incorrect. Electron affinity. Chemistry for Calabar. What is the name for the energy it takes to remove an electron from an atom?
Ionization.
Ionization. Ionization.
That's incomplete. Ionization energy. We will accept, yes? Okay. We'll accept. Literature. Manchester. What is the nationality of the author of the novel No Pain Like This Body?
No pain like this body.
Nationality.
Nigerian.
Nigerian.
Incorrect. Trinidadian. Literature. Calabar. What is the nationality of the author of the novel In the Castle of My Skin?
Georgian. Barbadian.
Barbadian.
Correct. Music for Manchester. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Singer.
Sizzler.
Sizzler.
Incorrect. Junior Reid. Music for Calabar. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Damian Marley.
Incorrect. That's Mr. Leroy Smart. Mathematics. What is the full expansion of 3x minus 1 into x plus 2?
That is 3x squared plus 5x minus 1.
No, it will be 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Mathematics for Calabar. What is the full expansion of 4x plus 1 into x minus 2?
Minus 2 plus 1 minus 8, 7x. 4x squared minus 7x minus 2.
Correct. Manchester Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Right. Elizabeth the Bicky.
Elizabeth the Bicky.
Correct. Theatre and Cinema. Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
James Reed.
James Reed.
Incorrect. Jonathan Price. Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is the woman Jezebel first mentioned?
Book of the Bible. Book first.
Elijah, so First Kings.
First Kings.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Calabar. What is the only New Testament book in which the name Jezebel is mentioned?
The names.
The New Testament.
So,
That's a Revelation.
Revelation.
Correct. Sports for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Dean
Dawkins.
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 Incorrect. Winston Griffiths. Sports for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
I'll give a name. James.
Trevor Reed.
Incorrect. Charles Hussey. Biology. Manchester. Which amino acid acts as a carrier of ammonia from skeletal muscle to the liver in the human body?
Acid.
Urea.
Urea.
Incorrect. Glutamine. And biology for Calabar. Which type of vein carries blood from the kidney to the inferior vena cava in humans?
Renal vein.
Correct. English language for... No time for that one. End of the opening challenge, rather. The scores at this time, Calabar High on 6, Manchester High on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.